Oh, you know what that is? It's a prickly pear.
What?
Yeah, do you know in cactus they actually grow a fruit that you can eat.
Yes, but they do not grow inside the leaf.
That's true. That was weird.
That was weird.
Okay, so we got
But it was catchy.
a nice cactus here with all the spikes taken off.
You know, this cactus is very expensive one.
Really?
Yeah, once I saw it, I want to buy it, but it's very expensive.
I mean, it looks expensive. It looks
and
like
they got it up.
a classic cactus.
They destroyed.
They destroy my cactus. It's okay. 5 Minute Crafts has infinite, resources, so they can just make cactuses if they want. They have cactus growing facilities. Okay, we're making a spear.
Okay.
All right, getting this cactus down the spear.
And you wanna cook that?
I guess they're gonna cook the cactus.
That's kind of interesting. I wanna watch
Yeah.
it. I
Do
wanna
you think?
watch.
Have you ever eaten cactus?
No, never.
Okay, I think it would taste.
I don't leave fruits.
Okay.
Yeah.
You'll only eat fruits.
Yeah.
Your whole diet is fruits.
Yes. Sorry, I interrupt you.
No, it's okay. I was just wondering, does it taste like? I imagine it tastes like a big cucumber.
Now I feel this taste.
Yeah. Okay, so we're wrapping some yarn through this pot. Okay.
Huh?
It says soup, so is it? Oh, there's a hole in it now. Okay.
But
Why?
what a weird construction.
Yeah. What was the point of putting that
you
step in
put
there?
it- Yeah.
So they cooked the cactus. Ooh, let's see what it looks like inside. I want to see. Oh, it looks kind of good actually.
You
Ooh,
think so?
it looks like it tastes like well, I don't know about the texture though. Yeah, I don't know. If it was smoother, I would say it looks like it tastes like ice cream, but it doesn't.
I
With
kind
avocado.
of feel weird feeling about it. I wouldn't try it.
Yeah, they're not gonna get avocado in the wilderness. That's just not gonna happen.
What was that? Scallops? Ah, it was the.
It was the cactus.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're cooking inside of a watermelon now. Okay. All right, we're getting some sausages. Oh, you got a little lid on it.
Oh, it's like a Weber grill. Not a sponsor.
Yeah, it's a watermelon Weber grill.
Yeah.
Is that a gourd? Oh, it's a gourd. Nice. All right, so we're stripping off pieces of the gourd. Are they gonna make Oh, they're making like a pasta maybe? Oh, they're making a pasta out of the gourd. Wow. You can do that with zucchini as well. Zucchini pasta is the best.
Okay, let's try it. I never tried it before.
Ooh,
Yeah, you're right.
I think so. Oh, I could be wrong though. Look what they're doing now. They're hanging it up to dry.
But usually when you make the pasta, you dry
Oh
it.
yeah, you
before
dry it
cooking,
first.
right?
Yeah, maybe. Okay, so garlic,
It looks legit.
some wild garlic to go with that wild cat. Wild basil. They seem to have a lot of tools when they're surviving in the wilderness.
True. But maybe she very experienced one. and
Yes,
she know
yeah.
what
She's able to
exactly-
find everything, yeah.
Yeah.
She's like, oh my gosh, I found this whole cooked turkey in the wilderness. Thank gosh, I was hungry.
I will take everything instead of grill because I will use the watermelon for grill.
Exactly.
Nice.
I don't need a grill, I need a
Smart
watermelon
cookie.
from the wilderness. Okay, so we're getting some aluminum, crunching it up. Oh, use it as a shredder.
Wow.
Okay, I guess that works. That works.
That's smart. That's
Okay,
smart.
after all your
Best
gourd pasta is ready, it's time to boil. Okay.
Actually, I would try it.
Looks alright, yeah, it doesn't look too bad.
So,
Using
use
her
a
hat as
hat.
a strainer. This is very
Like a
interesting.
sieve.
She's just like, I just want to ruin everything I have, actually. You ever want to go to the wilderness and ruin everything you have? I get that urge sometimes.
I think you didn't ruin it, but actually you're right.
Yeah.
Okay,
She can wash the hat in the
Yes.
river, yeah. Oh, that looks nice.
yeah.
With some kind of pesto sauce on it. More cheese.
Survive cooking hacks. It's good.
This is some Gucci survival. This is like the Louis Vuitton of survival. Not sponsor. Ooh, okay. And she's got a cool view and everything. Wow.
Nice place.
How did that watermelon just open with that crack?
Actually, I saw this hack, but it should crack the right
Up
from
at the right area,
yeah,
right? It
yeah.
cracked right above.
Yeah.
That wasn't supposed to happen.
But maybe we don't know something.
More
No.
prickly pears.
Oh, once I want to buy these fruits,
Yeah.
in the market, and you know, I didn't notice any spattle for it.
Yeah.
And I took them by hand, and I didn't know they
have spikes on them, yeah.
have spikes on it.
Oh.
Wow! And after that, one of the mentioned there, but why you didn't use this?
They had like tongues or something.
Yes,
Oh, no.
but they were some, you know, not on that place.
That's so funny
Yeah, it was that moment.
that you knew
Yes.
that you messed up. Okay, so
So-
we got some more garlic. We're cutting that here. Hitting it with a rock to break it apart. Smart.
Hmm?
Onion. She has a really good knife for the wilderness. Again, just saying. Good way to cut onion.
Some
Okay,
Pringle-
crisps as fire lighters.
also,
Maybe. Kind of want to test that.
it should work, but it's a waste.
It is a waste of food. So yeah, she could have
You
just
can
eaten
use
that and
something, yeah.
had some food for the day.
But you know that noodles also very good for fire.
Really?
Yeah.
You can use noodles to start fire?
Yeah.
Wow,
Yeah.
okay. I did not know that.
I tried it.
The more you know. Okay.
We filmed on Fireman Crafts.
Nice.
Episodes, yeah.
Okay, so we're using this again as a bowl or as a pot. Watermelon pot. So she's adding all her ingredients. She's gonna mix it all up with a little bit of water.
And we need to test it. We need to cook something.
I want to
for
cook
me.
something in a watermelon.
Because I'm not really sure that it's gonna work.
I think it'll work. You could definitely cook in a watermelon. Maybe it would like split though. Is all I'm worried about. Like maybe the fire would make it split.
Okay. We need to.
Maybe it's a good idea to make a soup in a watermelon. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we got some of this aloe vera.
Uh-huh.
Okay,
More.
love aloe vera. It's perfect for clearing up skin rashes and making you look youthful.
Yeah.
Yeah, and acne also. It can get rid of acne. Which is good because when I was in high school, I had a ton of acne. I looked like a pizza face.
So you always need to go for aloe vera.
Yeah, I used to go in the wilderness and I used to hunt it down and I used to just rub it all over my face and I was like, ah.
Wow.
Ooh.
That's satisfying. Wow.
Okay,
So.
chopping up the aloe. What are you gonna do with it though?
Don't
Water?
Tell us that you're gonna eat it.
I don't think it's very nice to eat. Yeah, it's super slimy. She's making slime. Okay, we got some garlic, some onion.
Oh no.
Okay, we're gonna add that somewhere. I'm not liking this recipe so far with the aloe
Why?
because it's like something that you use for skincare, not for food usually.
But it's 5 minute crafts.
It's 5-minute crafts.
They use unusual thing for
Unusual things.
unusual thing.
Okay.
It's why we love him.
That's why we love them. Okay, adding spices. What is that? Some puree. Is this gonna be like an aloe soup?
It's something for. It looks more for something.
Oh, it's like a curry.
Curry?
Yeah, like curry. Like you'd use it, eat it with
Uh-huh.
rice or something.
Yeah, I got you.
Where do they have
But
all this equipment?
is it? But okay.
So she's putting the
They
aloe
impressed
leaves
me.
in there.
And rice.
And rice. Okay, nice.
Okay.
Steam cooker. Okay.
Wow. Okay. Okay.
I wonder if that's good. Like aloe just doesn't taste good in general. It tastes like nothing. So
Did you try it?
I've tasted aloe before. Yeah.
Wow. I no.
It's just
I,
gooey.
I wouldn't.
It's just gooey.
Yeah. Then I have doubts about it.
So she's having aloe tea with aloe cooked rice and aloe curry. Excellent.
It's very healthy food.
This is healthy food.
Healthy and
This
it's
will help you survive in the wilderness. Don't eat Pringles. Make aloe everything.
Ah, bravo.
Yes.
Nice.
Okay, we got an apple.
An apple. Growing on the ground.
Yes, apple that you pick them out of the ground. That's how they grow.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we're putting some aluminum. We're making like a tea. Is this an apple tea?
Really nice.
That could be really nice. Ooh. Yes,
What marshmallow?
it's
right?
hot chocolate.
Wow.
Apple chocolate. That looks good.
Wow. Next time when I be on the camping, I'll try it.
I want to try it as
Wow.
well. Okay, so we got some pineapple here. Split it up. Oh, that was a waste of pineapple?
Yes, a bit. What's wrong
That was a
with the
weird
tomato?
tomato. Yes,
we're
long
good.
tomato. These are all like
You
fruits and
need to clean
vegetables
it
shaped wrong.
And wow,
We're just cooking and everything, actually.
watermelon. No.
Ooh, okay, that looks good. So is that like pork? Yeah, it's like pork kebab. Okay.
That looks tasty.
That looks very tasty. We need more reactions!
More reactions, and I wanna eat, guys.
I want to eat too.